Welcome back to Redneck Auto Advice, where we tell you the truth and not that propaganda.
No propaganda.
Let's see what this week's question is.
This is from Andy in Wisconsin.
Okay.
Andy in Wisconsin wants to know if I can use my windshield wiper fluid to help clean my oil, and then do I need fewer oil changes?
Simple questions, yes.
Oh, yeah.
Give me a break, Will. How many times have you driven down the river and those damn mosquitoes?
Oh, yeah.
All over.
Yeah.
Do you spray oil on it?
No.
You get that windshield wiper fluid clean as hell.
Yeah, I mean, it's a cleaning agent.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly. I'll tell you why they make you buy two different things. They're killing off our dinosaur folks. Have you seen dinosaurs lately?
I ain't seen one.
I haven't seen one.
Actually, to tell you the truth, I ain't never had the privilege of seeing a dinosaur in the real world.
No, you know why? Because they're making oil out of them. I was sitting there watching one of those videos on that television.
Yeah.
Oil comes from dinosaurs.
Yeah, that's what I heard too.
So stop killing all you people wanting to go green, and you're using oil. You're killing dinosaurs, folks.
I mean, I saw that movie where that guy was trying to take them back and like sell them off to some rich people.
Oh, yeah. He tried to kill
everybody like play toys, and they weren't sharing the dinosaurs. I mean, I would love to go see me a dinosaur.
Right. The rich people get to see them.
Yeah.
None of us been to that island with that guy with that chain.
Ain't never. Yeah. I would love to shake that man's hand.
Exactly.
Because he's the one that's telling the truth.
But you know what? I guarantee it was Big Brother and propaganda from our U.S. government to let those dinosaurs out because they didn't like what he was doing.
Oh, yeah?
They did not like what he was doing.
Yeah.
And here's another thing, folks. As long as your engine's wet, it will run. Okay?
Yeah.
It will run.
Yeah.
So put windshield wiper fluid in there. It don't matter.
Yeah. It goes. It goes. Yeah. PBR, lifeblood of every red-blooded American.
Right.
That's why this can is red, white, and blue.
This can here has taken us home many a night.
Oh, yeah.
You know what I'm talking
Yeah.
about? Many
It's
a
my
night.
driving, buddy.
It wasn't oil that got us home. It was Pabst.
Yeah, let PBR take the wheel.
Listen here, folks. This is your chance to stop the propaganda and save the dinosaurs.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, save them.
Okay? We'll see you next week, folks. You guys have a good one.
Yeah.